equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Start by gathering your tools. You'll need a screwdriver, a cleaning cloth, and some lubricant. First, unplug the device for safety. Next, remove the screws from the motor cover. Keep them in a safe place. Once the cover is off, inspect the internal components. Look for any dust or debris that may affect performance. Use the cleaning cloth to wipe down the motor and surrounding areas. After cleaning, check the brushes for wear. If they're damaged, it's time for a replacement. Remember, we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. If you're unsure, don't hesitate to reach out. Now, apply a small amount of lubricant to the moving parts. This will ensure smooth operation. Reassemble the motor by carefully placing the cover back and securing it with screws. For your convenience, we provide pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel needed. Finally, always get a quote before repair to avoid surprises. Your motor should now be running like new. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.